Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is October 12th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of Apple technology. From international incidents to innovative product developments, we've got a lot to cover. Remember, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant development, Chinese authorities have detained 4 Taiwanese employees of Foxconn in Zhengzhou, China. These employees are accused of a breach of trust, although Foxconn claims no harm was done to their interests. The Taiwanese government suggests these detentions may be linked to corruption and abuse of power by law enforcement. This incident is part of a worrying trend, with 77 Taiwanese individuals reportedly missing in mainland China since January, often related to fraud allegations. The situation has raised alarms among Taiwanese officials, who are advising caution when traveling to the mainland. An intriguing critique has emerged regarding Apple's current naming conventions, which some find inconsistent and confusing. The proposed solution is a more streamlined system, with names like Apple Phone and Apple Phone Pro for smartphones, and Apple Pad and Apple Pad Pro for tablets. This new naming scheme would extend to other products, aiming to simplify consumer understanding and reduce the pressure of annual refresh cycles. Apple's macOS 15 Sequoia has achieved a notable milestone by being officially recognized as a compliant version of Unix by the Open Group. This certification underscores macOS's compatibility with POSIX standards, rather than adherence to original Unix code. Despite some initial security issues, the release has been well received, marking a significant step in Apple's operating system evolution. Last year, Apple hosted a global police summit at Apple Park, focusing on how law enforcement can effectively use Apple products. The event highlighted features like CarPlay and emergency SOS via satellite, showcasing Apple's quiet engagement with law enforcement despite its strong pro-privacy stance. However, no summit was held in 2024, indicating a possible shift in Apple's approach. The Apple SuperDrive, an external CD-DVD drive, has officially gone out of stock, suggesting its discontinuation. Launched in 2008, the SuperDrive was a staple for users needing an optical drive. However, with the rise of digital media, its relevance has waned. This marks the end of an era as Apple moves away from legacy technologies. Apple has opened a new applied research laboratory in Shenzhen, China, its largest facility outside the US. This strategic move aims to bolster Apple's presence in the competitive Chinese market. The lab will focus on testing and research for products like the iPhone and Vision Pro headset, employing over 1,000 talents in the Greater Bay Area. In a critical reflection, Matt Honan expresses disappointment with Apple's Siri, highlighting unmet expectations. Despite being a pioneer in virtual assistants, Siri has not lived up to its promise, leaving users like Honan feeling let down. This critique reflects a broader sentiment among Apple users who expect seamless integration and functionality. Letler, a daily word puzzle game, offers an engaging challenge to enhance vocabulary and deduction skills. Players spin letter wheels to guess the word of the day, with hints available for assistance. The app, developed by Mario Iannotta, is free with optional in-app purchases, providing a fun and educational experience for users. Teleprompter Pro for Video is an app designed to aid video creators by providing a smooth scrolling text feature for seamless delivery. With customizable settings and project management tools, users can record high-quality videos directly within the app. Subscription options are available, catering to both professionals and beginners. Camera Delete is a new app for iPhone users who want to take temporary photos without cluttering their camera roll. The app stores images in an internal gallery, automatically deleting them after a set period. This feature is ideal for temporary needs, offering privacy and simplicity in photography. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us next time for more updates from the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay connected.